Okay, so what you're doing is you're taking the full quilted piece after it's been sewn together, okay? This is the mattress underneath, okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to cut the corners. Hold on one second. You're going to cut the corners up to the mattress. Okay? And then you're going to take the pieces like this. Okay, this flap is over the edge of the bed, and these go underneath like this. And that's what creates a waterfall fitted. Okay? So, and it gets sewn. Well, it's hard to see. But anyway, that's what the corner looks like. That flap gets sewn up underneath on both sides.